Welcome to Whitlock Garage, where we're united by trucks. Today, we're doing something a little bit different. We're loading up this 73 C20 and taking it to do something that you probably wouldn't guess we'd be doing. You think it'll always happen that way? Facing the wrong way. All right guys, so we're back at the truck farm today. Got John back here. We're about to get this 73 C20 loaded up. And typically we're loading stuff up because we just bought it. Well, in this case, and I think it might be the first video in Whitlock Garage history where we've actually sold something. So we're taking this 73 C20. We've sold it to a friend of ours. You're gonna get to see who that is here in just a minute. It's not somebody that you think would probably be buying a truck like this, but I think they've got some cool plans for it. So we're gonna load this truck, get it over to them, show you who it is when we get there. So last time you saw us, it was raining. We were loading up the 73 C20. Well, we got him all loaded up. We're actually taking him to the buyer right now. So y'all hang tight. We'll show you who that is. Check out this bad boy. Hard to beat that front end. Nice little bit of rust, but a great builder. So you may have missed some of it because I'm a bad videographer, but we got this truck unloaded. There it is sitting there.
Thanks to your winch.
And a surprise, I know y'all recognize David Newbern from Finnegan's Garage. We sold the 73 C20 to Finnegan Speed Marine, Finnegan's Garage. They're gonna do something cool with it. Might be in the next couple of months, might be in the next couple of years, but really appreciate them reaching out to us and seeing what we had at the truck farm. Y'all know we had this little 73 C20, so hopefully they'll make something good out of it. You know they will. They always do something cool at Finnegan's Garage. So I know you're watching Finnegan's Garage. No reason for me to even drop a link down below, but I will drop a link down below to their channel so that you can check it out. All right guys, before we close this episode out, just want to say a big shout out to Finnegan and David Newbern over at Finnegan's Garage, Finnegan Speed and Marine. Really appreciate those guys reaching out, buying that 73 C20 from us. I think they're gonna do something really cool with it, probably a lot cooler than anything we'd ever do with it, and probably a lot sooner. So just to let you know, Finnegan was there at the garage. It was my first time meeting him. I'd actually never met him before, so that was really cool. He's exactly as cool as you think he is on TV or on YouTube, but I didn't want to put a camera in his face my first time meeting him, so that's why you see me and David on there. David's a cool guy too, and I've gotten to know him. He's a good friend, and really glad to meet Finnegan today. Thanks for tuning into Whitlock Garage. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to do so. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button down below the screen there, and definitely leave us a comment. Let us know what you think Finnegan and David might do with the 73 C20. I actually know what they're gonna do with it, and man, the plans are cool. So y'all stay tuned to Finnegan's Garage, and definitely stay tuned to Whitlock Garage. We'll catch you next time. Cue the music.